So here we have the 2019 Ford Expedition Max. I'm just going to do a really quick walk around and then we'll turn it on, take it for a spin. I just wanted to show you any cosmetic issues that I noticed. It looks like it has a little bit of scratching on the side. It is a 2019, so it's not going to be completely perfect, but nothing out of the ordinary. No major scratches or dents, I should say. And then I'm going to go inside, turn it on, just so you can see what it looks like, what it sounds like. Okay. So I do want to note that this board does not come out, but other than that, everything else seems to be in working order. We got the passenger seat, the back row, and there's the third row all the way in the back. We'll go ahead and turn it on, and then I'll shoot the engine and open up the trunk so we can look back there. Static, my favorite station. So as you can see, everything is good to go. No check engine light. Ooh. Oh, it needs to be driven, so we can take care of that. So you control almost everything from the vehicle just from right here on the driver's side. So it looks like you have your original books in here. And your middle console, very spacious. There's so much space in here. I'm just reversing it back into place. I don't know why on the camera it's showing that the screen is flashing. It's actually not, but it's working. And then something else that's really cool, this park, you have your heated and cooling seats. It's really nice. And they both work as well. You can charge your phone there. But yeah, that's everything. So this is the middle section right here. See the back. You have your own AC system as well as heated seats back here. A charging station. And if you need to head back there, there you go. Seamless. This is what the back looks like. And it looks like you have the buttons here. I'm gonna go ahead and press it. You can see the back seat goes down by itself. As well as the other ones. And look at all that space. And then you would just press this button and the back goes down by itself as well. We have the engine. So I do have the AC blasting, everything is working. Feels really nice on this hot day. Transmission shifting properly. Nothing super crazy. Overall very smooth and quiet.